Hello children, we have been learning lot of things about the sentence only, right? So in the previous video we have learned about the parts of sentences and types of sentences, and now we are going to learn about subject, verb, object. What is the topic today is subject, verb, object. Every sentence must have a subject and also a verb. For example, I like chocolates. Here you can see I is the subject and like is the verb only. So let me recall about what is subject and what is verb, and one more thing, the new word which we are going to learn about is object. You still didn't have learned about the object, but you know about subject and verb, am I right? So in this video you are going to learn a lot of things about the subject, verb and also about the object. So let's start learning it. So first one, subject. What is the subject? Yes, subject means the doer of the action. When I am talking about a person in a sentence, look, this sentence is about the main person. So the main person is the subject only, and we know always the subject comes at the beginning of the sentence only. So in short I can say the first word in a sentence is the subject only. So what the subject will do? The subject will talk from the subject. With the help of the subject we can know the sentence is about whom. The main person or the main thing of the main place, whichever we are talking, whichever the sentence is about, no, that person or that thing is the subject only. So in short, the definition I have written here is doer. Doer of the action. That action is done by whom? This action done by the subject only. So when we are talking about the action which has been done by the person, no, that person is the subject only. And what about verb? Yes, verb means the action words like write, eat, drink, read and dance, jump. All these action words are verb only. And some auxiliary verb and also modal verbs we have already learned. So in mainly I can say verb means the action words only, right? Let's talk about the action. What is the action happen in the sentence, or what is the action we are talking about, okay? And what about the object? Object means the person or thing which has been affected by the action. If I am talking about any action, no, if I am talking about the action like eat, it means who eat. If I tell you the answer that I eat, means I is the subject. Eat what? What did you eat? The answer may be biryani. I ate biryani. So when I am asking a question about what was the action, okay, what this action was affected by what was the action happened, means the answer for this question will be the object. So for definition for the object is person or thing. It is a person or thing which is affected by the verb only, which is affected by the verb or by the action. It also help us to learn what was the action done by, okay, what was the action done by or what was happening with the action, okay. So with the help of object, the object completes the verb meaning also. When I am talking about any action, with the help of object only it completes the action. Example, see here I have written two examples. Let's learn it one by one. See, the first example is the performers showed different tricks. The performers showed different tricks. So how can you identify the subject? So by what question if you ask to the verb, means it can help us to identify the subject. Yes, we have learned that when we find out the verb in a sentence, means we need to ask a question to the verb so that we can get the subject. Am I right? For example, first you need to find the verb in the sentence. The performers showed different tricks. Can you find any action word here? Yes. What is it? Very good. That is showed. So here showed is the verb. Showed is the verb. Now, if I want to know which is the subject here, means I need to ask a question like who. But here, if I need to find out the subject means I need to ask a question to the verb only, like asking who. Who plus verb. Who showed different tricks? The answer will be what? Yes, the performers. So answer for this question will be the subject. Here S stand for subject only. So now here we have found that showed is a verb present in this sentence. Now I need to ask a question, that is who and the verb. Who showed? Who showed? The performers showed. So here the performers. The performers is the subject. Here who showed? Who is the doer? The performers is the doer. So we have come to the definition. So the doer of the action, the person who is doing the action. Okay, the action is done by the person, or that person is the subject. Clear? Okay, so how can we identify, how can we find the object which is present in this sentence? Simple method only. See, if you want to find out the object, O stand for object, you need to ask the question to the verb only. With the help of verb, we can find the object. By what? Which type of question we need to ask? We simply need to ask what? Which question we need to ask? Yes, what only. Verb plus what? For example, showed what? The performers showed what? They showed different tricks. They showed different tricks. So when we ask a question with the help of the question what, WH, that is what, WH80, what, to the verb, okay, what showed what, or what they showed, means the answer for this question is the object only. So showed what? Here what they showed? Here they showed different tricks only. So different tricks is the object. Different tricks is the object which is present here. So here if I ask a question to the verb, I can find the subject as well as the object only. And you can notice that this object is followed by the verb only. Without this object, this verb is incomplete. See, when I read this sentence, except this object means, see, the performance showed. If I read only with this verb, okay, with the subject and verb means it may feel like incomplete sentence only. See, the performance showed. The performance showed means what they showed. If I add the object to the sentence means it complete the sentence. See, the performers showed different tricks. Now do you understand about what is an object? What is an object? It is a person or a thing which is affected by which is talking about the action only, right? And when we use the object, it gives a complete meaning to the sentence. Am I right? So you need to keep in your mind that object is the person or the thing only which is affected by this action. Action, verb only. Showed means what? You need to ask a question like showed means the verb plus what? Okay, showed what? Like to what? If you ask this kind of question to the verb means the answer for the question will be the object only. Let's learn with second example. See, the driver stopped the car. The driver stopped the car. So here first, the first thing you need to find is the verb. Can you find the verb here? The driver stopped the car. Here which is the action? Yes, stop is the action. So stop is the verb. I am going to write V, simply V. Okay, V stands for verb only. Okay, so here stopped is the verb. Now first I need to find out the subject. Here how can I find the subject? What question I need to ask to the subject? I mean to the verb to get the subject. Yes, WHO, who, to the verb. If I ask the question who with the verb means I will get the subject. See here, who stopped? Who stopped? The answer will be the driver stopped. If I ask who stopped means the answer will be the subject. So here the driver is the subject. And when I wanted to get the object. Okay, what is the object here? If I want to find the object, no, I need to ask a question to the verb like what? Stop. What? The driver stop. What the driver stop? Stop the car. The car is the thing. So the car is the object. O stand for object. So when I ask a question what to the verb, I get the object, and when I ask the question with the help of who means I can get the subject also. So are you clear, children, about this topic, that is subject, verb, object? What is a subject? A subject means the doer of the action who is doing the action, that person is the subject. And what is a verb? Verb means the action words, okay, like jump, stop, show, eat are the action words only. All the action words are verb only. And what about the object? Object means it is a person or thing which is affected or which is followed by the action only. Without object the verb is incomplete only, and the sentence also look like an incomplete sentence only. Okay, but some sentence may come with only the subject and verb. But keep in your mind, every sentence may come with the subject, verb, object only. Are you clear, children? So these are the things only you need to keep in your mind. If you want to know the subject means you need to ask a question to the verb like who. If you ask who plus verb means you will get the subject. If you want to find the object means you need to ask a question like what to the verb. Okay, show what. If you ask this kind of question means you will automatically get the answer that belongs to the object only. Okay, and also the order for the sentence will be first we will be writing the subject and then verb. At the end only we can find the object. Are you clear? The order of the sentence order is like subject, then verb. First, always at the beginning of the sentence we get the subject. Next to the subject there will be a verb, and after the verb we can find the object only. Okay, children. So I hope you are clear with this topic. I'll see you in the next video by doing the exercise on subject, verb, object. Thank you.